Stray cats around your home can be both frustrating and challenging to deal with. They may enter your yard, make noise at night, dig up gardens, or leave unwanted messes. Here are some simple and effective methods to discourage stray cats from coming near your house and help you maintain a clean and peaceful environment. The first and most important step is to make sure there is no food available for stray cats around your home. Avoid leaving pet food outside, even for a short time, as it can quickly attract them. Make sure your garbage bins are tightly closed so cats cannot access leftover food or scraps. Also, clean up any spilled food or waste in your yard regularly. When cats realize there is no easy source of food, they are much less likely to return. Cats have a very sensitive sense of smell, which makes certain scents unpleasant for them. You can take advantage of this by placing natural repellents like citrus peels or spreading used coffee grounds in areas where cats usually visit. These strong smells are safe, easy to use, and help keep cats away without causing any harm. A motion-activated sprinkler is an effective and humane way to keep stray cats away from your home. These devices detect movement and release a quick burst of water when a cat comes near. The sudden spray startles the cat without causing any harm, and over time, it learns to avoid the area completely. This method works especially well for gardens, lawns, and entry points where cats frequently visit. Cats are naturally attracted to soft, loose soil because they like to dig and use it as a litter area. You can make the area less appealing by adding small stones, gravel, or pine cones on top of the soil. This creates an uneven surface that feels uncomfortable for cats, encouraging them to stay away while still keeping your garden healthy and tidy. Using cat repellent balls is a simple and effective way to keep stray cats away from your home and garden. These all-natural balls, made with peppermint and lemongrass scents, work by releasing a strong smell that cats naturally dislike. You can place them in mesh bags and hang or set them around areas where cats usually visit. The scent is safe for humans and pets, but unpleasant for cats, helping to stop digging and unwanted mess. The Cat Scat Mat Prickle Strip is a simple and effective solution to keep cats away around your house. You can cut the plastic spike strip to your desired length and place it where needed. This creates an uncomfortable surface for cats without causing any harm, preventing them from digging or resting in those areas. This mat is lightweight, durable, easy to install, and helps keep your space safe. By following these simple steps, you can keep your home clean, peaceful, and free from unwanted stray cats.